Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, December 13th, and we're going to take a look at copper, and more specifically, a failed setup, a failed bull flag setup that ended up turning around and having it come right back down and gives you a really good short opportunity. So one thing I always say to people in the trading room is failed bullish often turns bearish, and failed bearish often turns bullish. So how do we know it was a failed setup? Well, you know how we're always talking about looking for a breakout flag. Well, here's the breakout. Here is the bull flag setup. All right, now the first test on a bull flag is, can we get through the high of the flag, the highest point before the flag triggered? In this case, we ran right up into it, hit that resistance, and turned it back around and closed down. Okay, so it tells us that it's a failed bullish breakout with a failed bull flag. Then what happens? So you have your first option is taking a short right away, going, okay, failed bullish, looking for bearish, you go short with your stop above the high. The second option is look for the micro trend. So overall trend is moving down in this case. We have the micro trend, which is a trend line going across the lows here. And that gives you another really good entry opportunity on the break of that trend line at about 2.6. Either way, the main point I want to make here today is make sure when you're looking at a setup, if you have a bullish setup or a bearish setup, no matter what the setup is, a lot of times if it fails, that means there's a problem. And it means that the market's going to reverse. So there's something wrong, so watch for a reversal. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Great job to everybody in trading that took the short in copper, took the short in the Russell, the longs in the indices, and the other indices, and the shorts and longs in bonds. So that's it for today. I'll see you all in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.